Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. This is the part 2 of Matplotlib. In this video, we are going to discuss about different properties of Matplotlib, like how to put title and how to provide x-axis, y-axis, and how to use different properties like font size, line width, line style. So all these things which I have implemented, I will basically discuss step by step. So let me open another tab. Okay, and we can call this library import matplotlib by plot as plt and numpy as n. Okay, now let's take x-axis. On x-axis I can take two values on x-axis, let's say 1, 5, 7 and 9, and on y-axis I can take some other values, let's say 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, now let me simply run this first. plt that plot and x comma y. Okay, so if you see, we have this graph created as per the value provided on x and y axis. Now let's say if I want to provide marker, so I can use marker properties, and marker equals to, let's say, O. Okay, I think I put 0 instead of O, so that's why it has given error. Okay, so other than O, I can put star as well. Okay, now let's say if I need to change the style of this line, so right now it is line, but let's say I want to put dash, so I can say dash. Okay, and I can also put like this. Similarly, if I need to put dot, so I can put dot like this way, and I can use dotted this way as well. Okay, and I have also option to put dash and dot, dash dot. Okay, okay, and let's say if I do none, so it will give the this star sign. Okay, so now let's remove this, and let's say I'm putting point only, and let's say I want to increase the line width. So I can use line width properties, and let's say I can put 3 size. So see, so we can change the line width as well as per the requirement. Okay, and we can also change the color. So color I can put, let's say, red R. I can put the spelling as well. And let's say if I need to provide color code, so that too I also provide. So I have different color code here. So let's say I can take this and let me provide here. So see, blue. So that's why it is showing blue. And this is dark blue. So as per the requirement, I can mention color code here as well. Okay. Now, if you see, we don't have any x-axis and y-axis like this here. Now let me put the code here to add axis. So what I will do, plt dot x label. Okay, so my X label, I can provide axis, let's say X axis, and similarly Y label. So for Y, I can provide Y axis. Now let me run this and see whether it's working. So see, now I have, sorry, I need to mention Y here. So see, I have both axes, X axis and Y axis. Okay, and I can increase the size of this X axis, Y axis font. So let me show you how. So I can provide property font size equals to, let's say 20, and similarly here. So see, now size has increased. I can also provide the color of this font. Let's say color equals to red. So I provided for x-axis, so you can see. Similarly, I can provide title as well. We don't have title here, so I can put like this plt dot title, and in title, right now I'm just mentioning title, and then let's say font size equals to 25, and then color equals to green. See. So as per the requirement, we can use different properties we can change. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.